Hello and welcome to another update video about GALA. GALA is simply extending its triangle at the moment, continues to be in this pattern in which Bitcoin and ETH are moving as well. We had a larger degree fourth wave that topped here on the 17th of July. Since then, we've been coming down further here, getting closer and closer to this December 22 low at around 1.55 cents. Wouldn't be surprised to test that level. The pattern that GALA is currently developing here looks like a contracting triangle. So these triangles often would break to the downside because they are part of, in this case, a fifth wave. So in this case, the triangle is part of a fifth wave, which is a 5-wave move. And triangles often happen, well, not in the last wave, but in the structure just before that. That's the good thing about triangles, that you can get an idea that there could just be one more move down and that's it. Okay, so we're dealing here with a contracting triangle, which could be the last structure before the very last wave in this fifth wave. And then we might see a rebound, a more substantial rally. Looking at the structure in more detail, we can see that GALA extended its triangle a little bit, made another high and another lower low. But it did not break above the C wave high and did not break below the B wave low. So the triangle itself stays fully intact. I see this at the moment as a wave 4 as long as price stays below the A wave high of the triangle at 2.05 cents. A break above that would not make this structure more bullish. It would just simply mean that the wave 4 extends a little higher. For me, an important level to look at is the wave 1 low. So it should ideally not get above 2.2 cents because then it cuts into the price range of the wave 1. Then we would need to re-evaluate the chart. But at the moment, I think the downside pressure remains. Seems like I took out accidentally this price channel here. But it's a parallel channel in which price is moving at the moment. And I think as soon as we get a first, there's different ways how I can, as soon as we get a break out of this price channel to the upside, that could indicate that we are finally in this C wave rally to the upside. There are basically two possibilities. Either we get into a C wave rally, which would be bearish overall because it would just be part of an even larger fourth wave, which would result in a fifth wave down. Or we could get into a really, really good bull run. I mean, that to a degree will depend on Bitcoin as well. But I see this first as a C wave rally if it starts. It would still lead to substantial increases here, all the way up to 5.4 and 7.9 cents potentially in a larger flat structure, A, B, C. But if price breaks above 7.9 cents, it could be something more bullish. So I will see this as a C wave of a wave 4 as long as below 7.9 cents. Now, it doesn't really matter at the moment if it's going to be the blue wave count or the more bullish white wave count. In both scenarios, a rally would be expected. However, in addition to that, there is currently no smaller time frame setup that would support it. So we would need some kind of a small setup down here that would show us this is starting. There is currently nothing, so not even any higher low or anything. What we would expect in this C wave, it's a 5-wave move. I'm just looking for the impulse wave pattern. So it would be a 5-wave move like this, okay? And we need a first small 1-2 setup that could act as a launch pad for a third wave rally within the C wave or within the even more bullish third wave. But as long as we don't even have on the smaller time frame some kind of a setup, we focus on lower. But at the next low, when GALA's price forms the next low, I would pay serious attention to a potential bottoming structure. But I would be careful at the moment with altcoins in general because they're all falling. It's like the knife catch at the moment. But they can turn around very, very quickly. We know that, yeah? When everybody gets bearish, when we talk about the altcoins, everybody's depressed at the moment as it seems. Everybody's bored. There will be a rally, okay? And it could just be after the next low. It could be as early as after the next low. And here on the GALA chart, the next support is between 1.52 and 1.55 cents. yeah, that's my update about GALA. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.